DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Yeah, Trump Media and Technology stock sitting in my supply zone, and I'm amazed that it actually started to pick up, and we're in between two worlds right now. It's interesting, pretty interesting. Boom, one way is we start to break below 1612, or in second way is we start to break above 2084. Both cases are, you know, in it of its own. Like, one is if we start breaking it, I'm gonna double down on the bullish side and look forward to jump on some buys. And the other side is if there is a double break, I'm straight up selling. So that's it. I mean, this is always short term. It's not financial advice. It's all downward simulated, so please don't listen to me. If you want to learn the strategy for free though, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. Anything else in the meantime is going to be a complete noise, so stay tuned and I'll keep you updated.